Okay, hand back, and Katie's here with me. Okay,
Hello.
so here's our balloon.
Bye.
And what we're going to do next is I'm going to wrap the balloon around, the string around the balloon so that I have it at the widest part. Okay, so that's the idea here. I'm going to wrap it around at the widest part of the balloon to measure the circumference, because we can use the circumference of the balloon and it will help us discern the volume, okay, of gases that are in the balloon. All right, so I have measured the string around, okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut the string. I've already actually marked it. I cheated a little bit. I marked it on the little string already. And what we'll do is we're going to cut this balloon. Okay, I'm sorry, cut the string. Well, actually, I don't even need to cut. I can just measure it. So I'm going to measure the length of the string. Oop, there I am. I'm going to measure the length of the string, and then we'll see how we can use that to calculate some volume. So hang on one second. Sorry about that. I should have had my string all ready to go, or my tape measure all ready to go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure the length of my string and when I do that, I want to make sure, and I've been doing this, that I'm not stretching the string, because I didn't pull it taut, right? I just measured it around it, but I didn't pull it taut. So I want to make sure that as I'm measuring this, I'm getting an accurate representation. And I'm starting at 10 centimeters and going up to 51.0. So my circumference of my string is 51.0. Nope, I'm going to 41. 41.0 centimeters. I started at 10, went to 51.0, so that's 41.0. So you need those measurements. Your mass is 110.0 grams, and the circumference of our balloon is 41.0 centimeters.